Hello friends, my name is Shahid. You are very welcome to the Technological channel. I will tell you how you can create professional thumbnail for your YouTube channel. I will tell you step by step clickable thumbnail. Practically, I will explain you. If you are new on my channel, then definitely like and subscribe. So let's start. How will you create professional thumbnail for your YouTube channel? First of all, you have to open your phone Play Store, then search it Pixel Lab, then install it and open it. Something like that interface open. After that, click on three dot you see above image size. Click on it. Click on custom option, then see YouTube thumbnail here, then OK. Can you choose as you wish background? I will choose color option and choose white color, then right click. After that I will go text option and write here how to create to create I will write here and increase size little bit and font also change. Then OK option, color also change here, then right click how to create. Next on it I will add here my channel name Techno Digital, then OK. Techno Digital here. I will not change color. Simple. Add here. The professional thumbnail I will create here, then ready, then save it here, then go customs, then ultra, click on it ultra, then save to gallery. The thumbnail is ready, looking like attractive.